Kipakaon ako siya kanina kay Swasa ni Kakon. O niya, naligo na lang siya. O niya, karon. Nagkaon siya. Siya isa. Tingnan ako namin nagsiwa-siwa sa akong likod. Nalingkamot ang kaon. Nalingkamot. Nalingkamot na siyang kaon. Wala may nagsiwa-siwa sa akong likod. Igutom. Igutom si William. Kan sa school. Akong giligo. Okay. Bahong uk-uk. Bahong tik-tik si William. Ha?
Why you call me?
Because me busy. Me cellphone. Me don't know you eating. Huh? You eating alone?
I'm so hungry.
Are you so hungry?
Because I'm not eating in school.
You're not eating sa school. You're so hungry because you're not eating because you're not. Ano siya guys? I'm so hungry because I'm not eating sa school. Why you not eating sa school?
This was and look like carrots.
Carrots again sa school? Like carrots?
Look like too brown.
What color brown sa school?
Milk.
Milk? I think
Not
chocolate.
delicious.
Not delicious.
I'm just mixing milk.
Mixing
After
some.
yucky, I found milk. Go right to poopy.
I think that's Milo. Milo and milk mixing.
Milk work.
You don't like mixing? I think chocolate. Milk and chocolate mixing.
And look what to yucky.
So yucky. Hungry ka sa school? You so hungry sa school? Mix apa japsi? Pansit? Ugur pa mo nagkaon ng japsi, bibe? Naging adlaw? Naman nagsima-sima sa kong likod. Paglingi na ko, uy. Nagkaon. Wa na nawag kong inahan. Hungry din si baby.
You don't know.
Ha?
You don't know.
Me don't know. Uma don't know.
You.
Sarang hiyo. Sarang hiyo.
I'm there, Ma.
Ha?
Almost.
Almost?
I want more.
More?
Yeah.
You want more rice?
Yeah, also pancit, not carrots, and look like carrots, also waves, so yucky.
So yucky ang leaves?
Yeah, I want new waves.
New leaves?
Do not yucky waves. I
Mini-
want pork, rice,
rice,
pancit, also waves.
also leaves. You want?
I'm not cooking more.
Okay, cooking more? Okay.
Did you want more?